This package contains some very special Goddess story cards. And I will tell you how to get them, but before that, let me show you why you should get them. I'm gonna take one of these cards out of this package and I'll show it to you. And then we're gonna take a look at the rest. And I honestly didn't know which one I will be pulling. But as you can see, those are... Let me take it out the sleeve. Oops. Well, you can hear it. Those are metal cards, and not just metal cards, they are golden. Look at that. That's some rich cards right there. When I heard it at first, like golden metal cards, I thought, okay, I guess. It's so obvious, it sounds cheap, but it's not. Like, it looks really great, and I really like that they do pattern as a background, that it's kind of see-through. It makes it more unique, I guess. And obviously you can see there is an Asuitsuyu from the My Hero Academia, I believe. I haven't watched it, sue me, I guess, but nonetheless, it looks great. And it is an MSR, which stands probably for Mega Super Rare, and it is 2. As far as I know, this is from the official Goddess story, but I might be wrong. Before I take another card, let me tell you how to get them. Oh, well, obviously you can buy them loose, and I will leave the link in the description. But also, there's a special offer, some of you already might know it. If you spend $200 at the store, to which links will be in the description, and you add a note, tcgcomrade, you will get 2 of them for free. Like, I mean, obviously you pay $200, but you don't have to pay for them specifically, because if you're just a crazy waifu hunter and you're bundling up a lot of boxes, well, there's your chance to get 2 free golden cards. One thing which is really important is that those cards, and let me take out another one, those cards are limited. I asked the seller, he said they make an 80 in total. Well, if it's sold out, it is sold out. I don't know if they will be reprinting some, but as it goes right now, they're always adding a new prints and new designs, and old designs are just sold out. So if you see a particular one that you like, I highly advise you to not miss your chance and buy these cards. And you could already tell which character it was from the backside, because you kind of see it, and it is in Nezuko. And although she's in her young form, she's looking sexy, don't quote me on that, but not like very lewd. I've seen some shit I rather don't, so I mean, that's fine. And also this rabbit is very, very cute. Another one, and it's also a Demon Slayer, and it's also a bunny theme, I guess. Yes, it is a bunny. Look at that, looking hella nice. But this one doesn't have a number on it, so that's confusing. And also it doesn't have a name, so I don't know if they switched design like somewhere in between the prints, or they just make a choice like, okay, to this character we will print the name and we'll do the number, and for the other characters we will not. Who knows, who knows. Look at this one. God damn! This one has a name stamp on it, but it doesn't have a number, so I just don't know what the requirements are. We have a few to go through, and look at it! Your forger, god damn, that's an assassin who can assassinate me. Sheesh. Look at them, they're so beautiful, so shiny. I like it very much. Let's go to another one. Hell yeah, we have a whole set of Demon Slayer bunny cards. And yes, that's okay, never mind. This is my favorite of them all. It's just looking hella amazing. No name, no number, but who gives a shit? Look at that. They're also feeling like not too heavy. I mean, obviously it's heavy, but because of these holes, it becomes less heavier, or fucking physics, how does it work? And I think this one you need to watch it, because this one might actually break, but not that easily. I mean, you just saw me doing weird shit with my finger and it didn't break it. And we have another what's called My Hero Academia. This one has a number on it, so those were probably the first ones to come out, obviously 1, 2, and then they thought, well, fuck it, we want to do the numbers. Maybe because they're selling out so quickly, they thought, well, just get the people what they want. Number is not that important. Also, the name is, I mean, it looks great and it's nice to have some variation of it, but yeah, it's like no problem that some of them have the name and number, some of them don't. Let's see, we have, ooh, that's a nice one, goddamn, also a number, wait. It's also number 1, which really confuses me. But it's a Naruto, and also probably one of my favorite cards. God damn, look at that. This one has some special shit about it, and that is being those flowers at the back, because none of these cards had that. That's making it really interesting, actually, and I really like the fact that it says waifu, sorry Morty, that it says waifu on it. She is a waifu, hell yeah. Okay, the last one for this time is Himiko Toga, look at that. Yeah, if I would pick my top 3, it would be like those 3, definitely. I mean, looking hella nice, looking hella great. And also no number, but man, she looks amazing. God damn. These were the golden cards, they're all freaking amazing. Check it out, don't miss on them, because a lot of them are already sold out. I don't know if you can even buy some of them that you're seeing it right now. And they're selling out quickly. If you're about to make a big order of anime cards, doesn't have to be God of Story specific, but just anime cards on AliExpress in general, do it with this seller that I will be leaving a link to in the video description, because you can add the note tcgcomrade and then you will get 2 of them. Don't miss it, it's freaking amazing and I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I see you in another one, Web Travelers.